Almost hit me in the face. Just kidding. What's up, guys? Today is day 2 or video 2 of the stitch welding process. What I'm gonna do today is basically go underneath right here, underneath in there, and basically stitch weld everything. But first I gotta get these babies off. Got 2 of them loose. Have the Jacksons ready. Have the jacket up. But this lug nut right here is being a bitch. My god, man. I wonder who freaking tightened it.
Gotcha, bitch!
Alright, now that I got the fenders off and it's sitting on jack stands, now it's time to remove coilovers to get easier access to in here. I'll put it all in there too, so that way stitch weld those babies. Well, actually first clean it to stitch weld it. Alright, already got the coilover out. I was gonna take everything out right here, but I just need this section to be more clear. So I didn't feel the need to take everything off here, and then brake line's right there too. I'm probably gonna cover it when I'm actually welding, so we no sparks go on it. Yeah, right now I'm gonna start cleaning all this up real quick and move on to the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. Just remove the coilover and not remove basically this whole assembly right here. So alright, so I basically wire wheeled, that's kind of hard to say. Well, I wire wheeled most of the seams on here, well, basically all of them except this section. I couldn't get to it, but that's what I'm gonna use this thing here, or maybe some sandpaper too. Try to get a little bit in here as well, but it's kind of hard because you can't fit that big thing in there. But yeah, like certain sections right here where it has seam sealer still in there, I'm gonna use the torch method of just basically burning it off. So you're basically gonna get a torch like this. You're gonna heat it up, and then with a long screwdriver or little scraper thing like this. I have like 2 of them just in case one's harder than the other, and I have a little small one just to get into like the small hard to reach areas where the big one doesn't get into. So yeah, it smells like a gang of it still. Damn it. All right, well, let's get to it. Damn it, my freaking headphone came off. Look at all that. Fuck. Oh my god. I'll have to blow this thing out. Better, but damn, still a gang of metal on that. Shit. Hopefully I didn't mess them up. Sick. The light just blew out right now. Right when I was about to weld. And it's all freaking dark. Sick, totally. So yeah, I'm gonna start welding right now. Well, basically start stitch welding it. Everything's pretty much clean. Alright, fixed it. Got one of these babies from up there going down, and now we can see. And it's got a lightsaber. Sick. Alright, start welding. Holy shit. Finished one side. Man, that shit was, oh my god, I got burned up so much on my legs. Oh my god. But everything is pretty much tacked in place. Well, stitch welded. Look at that. Ooh. Look at all that. Woo. Even tacked welded right here. Going up. And did some right here. And then did these right here, and I did this one. I'm like, wait a minute, That's not even a seam. So we started stitch welding a panel that's right there. That's not even a seam, so I didn't even need to do that. So yeah, but yeah, I did this right here. So now to the other side. So now I gotta do this side right here. I'm gonna go bring the lighter now. All right, both sides are done. They're all stitch welded. Woo! All the way up right here. Done. I didn't stitch weld this part because that's not a seam. So yeah, both sides are done. This is crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna throw some what is it? Oh yeah, I'm gonna throw some primer on there, so that way it doesn't get rusted or anything. Alright, so it's pretty much done. I decided to throw some flat black on here, and then maybe later on hit it with the bed liner stuff, but looks pretty good. Flat black, so maybe I might just leave it, or maybe just hit it with the bed liner stuff. I don't know, we'll see. So now we're gonna throw in the coilover on here so that we can put it down, so we can move it out. So alright, let's get to it. Alright, so I put the coilover back on. These are going to come up pretty soon as well, because I'm going to go with a lower spring rate for the front. PBM sells a kit where I think it goes to a 6K spring for the rear, and the rears, I think those are 8s, and those 8K springs would go in the front here. So basically that would allow for more suspension travel and maybe get more grip for the rear too, and also for the front. So yeah, basically finished the fender wells, the stitch welding on here, and actually painted it black, so it looks pretty cool. I actually like it too. I think I'm gonna stick with just this flat black in here in the fender wells. Looks clean. Kind of looks like steel it too, but yeah, it looks clean. So yeah, maybe the next video I'm gonna start prepping the top surface here, and also for the engine bay as well. Start removing everything in the engine bay, so that way it makes it easier for me to paint it. I still haven't decided on a paint scheme, well, color that I'm going to paint the whole engine bay. Also need to cover these holes here, the heater hose right there. Yeah, I might cover this big one and have this the engine harness to basically come through this one, since this one has a little grommet, or maybe this one down here. We'll see which one. We'll see which one I get through. But yeah, I'm gonna start shaving off the holes that I don't need in the engine bay, so I get some more cleaner look. So yeah, I'm not too sure what color I'm gonna go with. Yeah, if you guys, I guess, have a color in mind or that would look good, just put it down in the comments, and yeah, put it down there and I'll check it out. Yeah, because as of right now, I don't even know what color to go with. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this series of videos. This is going to be a Pro-Am series of, I guess, from prepping it now to when I go to my first Pro-Am event. So basically the next thing I need to do is take my engine to my homie's shop, so that way he could address the bent rod that happened with the engine when I hydro locked it, and go from there. I really want to cam it, but I just do it. I don't want to spend the money right now on doing that. So yeah, hopefully you guys in the next one I dive into the engine compartment, the engine bay, and go from there. So yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, and put your I guess the color you guys might think would look good in here into the engine bay. Alright guys, to the next one. Peace.